Please welcome Chief Executive Officer Dave O'Flanagan.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Nashville, the city of music, and now for the next few days, the city of digital innovation. And welcome everyone coming in all over the globe on our live stream. You know, I can't standing here in Music City, I can't help but draw a parallel between what happens on those famous stages and what we do in the digital world. You know, just as a killer guitar riff can stop you in your tracks, you know, a brilliantly crafted digital experience can captivate an audience and turn a casual browser into a loyal customer. And you know, speaking of music, I have to confess something. I've become a huge Taylor Swift fan. Well, technically my daughters are, but after countless road trips with Taylor Swift on repeat, and not one but two Eras Tour concerts, I think I've earned my Swiftie credentials. So if you see me accidentally dropping song lyrics into my speech, you'll know why. I just can't shake it off. but in all seriousness, what a better place for digital leaders creating brilliant digital experiences to congregate than in a city known for its creativity and its innovation. Just as Nashville's musicians craft unforgettable melodies, we're here to compose the future of digital experiences. So whether you're new to Sitecore Symposium or you're returning to our first live global symposium in 2 years, welcome. We've designed this event to educate and inspire, to equip your brand to create digital experiences that deliver impact and drive success. And yes, don't worry, we're going to have some fun here in Nashville as well. But before I dive in, I do want to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of our sponsors. We couldn't do this without you, and I'm looking forward to hearing all of the amazing success stories that you'll share this week. And a special shout out to our diamond sponsors, Horizontal and American Eagle. Your support truly elevates this event. Thank you. First, I'd like to reintroduce myself. Many of you will have met me during my tenure as Chief Product Officer in Sitecore, and some of you during my time as CEO, but I can't tell you how thrilled I am to be leading this great company at such an exciting time in our industry. The theme of this event is Power to Build, reflecting how proud we are of the amazing experiences our customers build with Sitecore. From B2B to B2C, the breadth and depth of innovation never cease to amaze me. And you know, in my first few months as CEO, I made it a priority to spend time with our customers and our partners all over the globe. And it's been invaluable for me to hear firsthand what we're doing well and where there are opportunities to improve. From global CPG companies to banks, retailers, airlines, and lots more, it struck me that while these are very different businesses, they all have one thing in common. Digital is foundational to their success, and they all need to continually evolve and transform to meet the needs of their customers in this fast-moving digital world. So with that in mind, I want to share with you my priorities as CEO and what you should expect from Sitecore going forward. First, we will be a valued and trusted partner to each of our customers. And whether you're modernizing your website or you're rethinking your complete content supply chain and transforming your marketing function, we have the technology, we have the people, and the partner ecosystem to deliver for you. Second, I want to ensure our customers have choice. The choice to remain on-premise, the choice to move to the cloud, the choice to continue to invest in our XP platform and know that Sitecore is investing there too, or the choice to upgrade to our headless and composable architecture with our next-gen CMS, XM Cloud, but when you're ready. And third, we are going to continue to innovate ahead of the market. As a product CEO, I am committed to delivering you market-leading products and services so that you know you can be confident you've got the optimal solution to deliver standout digital experiences for your customers. That's three things. It's customer, it's choice, and innovation. And I know we can deliver this because we, Sitecore, are sharpening our edge. We're focusing on our core strengths, content and experience. We're focusing on being a trusted partner for you, our customers. We're simply focusing on what we do best, better. And all of this focus has already delivered incredible results for our company. And I'm thrilled to share with you today that we've crossed $500 million in annual recurring revenue. We're incredibly proud of this financial milestone, but it's far more important to understand what this means for you. We will be the vendor of choice for content and experience. We will be the vendor of choice for DXP. We will be the vendor of choice for marketers and technologists to work together to deliver for their business. We have the capabilities to deliver to manage the full content lifecycle for global brands, from content operations right through to hyper-personalized digital experiences delivered at global scale. And composability is core. It's core to what we do, and it's core to our strategy. We believe in best of breed and better together. And as we continue to expand our market-leading composable capabilities in commerce and search, CDP, personalization, and connect, and more, we enable agility, we enable flexibility, and we deliver outsized business returns. This is why we're the #1 choice for brands looking for a DXP solution that meets their unique needs. Let's have a look at some examples, actually. This is AAA Club Alliance. They provide roadside assistance for travel services and insurance to its members all over the US. They embarked on an ambitious digital transformation to redefine how they engage their members. They upgraded from XP to XM Cloud, in addition to CDP, Personalize, and Connect, introducing a headless and composable architecture that allowed them to deliver new digital products and services incredibly quickly, with a particular focus on mobile. In addition, they leveraged Sitecore 360, our support and consultancy services, to allow them to introduce a new member servicing portal that dramatically improved their conversion rates on site. And L'Oreal, a well-known global beauty brand, they revolutionized their digital presence with a unified AI-powered platform built on XP, enabling AI translations, empowering business users with a fit-for-purpose UI, and slashing content publishing times by over 80% by deploying a composable approach with Sitecore, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Cloudflare. They turbocharged website performance and future-proofed their digital strategy. We enable thousands of customers to achieve incredible results with our composable content and experience solutions. But we're not stopping there. I've spent over 2 decades in the MarTech industry, working across commerce, data, personalization, digital experiences. And honestly, I believe as an industry we can do more. In fact, I think it's absolutely imperative as an industry we have to do more. MarTech has delivered a huge amount of value over the last 2 decades, but when I talk to business leaders from all industries, retail, financial services, manufacturing, you name it, and ask them about the big picture, I hear some things pretty consistently. I hear that with so many interconnected applications in my stack, it's difficult to deliver a cohesive digital experience. I hear that I need to be able to deliver my campaigns much, much faster to respond to emerging trends on social and the internet. I hear that the ROI and time to value is never quite what I expected. When running a MarTech stack sometimes feels like you're trying to conduct an orchestra, where the instrument is playing a different song, in a different key, and at a different tempo. And you, the marketer, the conductor, are desperately trying to make it sound like Beethoven's Ninth Symphony when the audience is expecting Taylor Swift's latest hit. And all of this in a world where marketers are being asked to do more and more. Marketers are being asked to become more productive, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Marketers are being asked to deliver more growth and do more with less. More productivity, more growth. More productivity means it's crucial for marketing teams to be able to move at hyper speed, to create and deploy content and experiences in minutes and hours, not days, not weeks, and certainly not months. To empower all teams from marketers to developers, IT and agency partners to deliver together, quickly and efficiently. More growth means that you got to push the boundaries of reach, of engagement, of conversion to optimize every interaction to reap the rewards of what's possible today with hyper-personalization and a segment of one. For too long, the marketing industry hasn't done enough. And I'm here as the CEO of Sitecore to tell you that this stops now. We understand the challenge, we understand the opportunity, and Sitecore will take the lead and deliver. And we have a long heritage of innovation and leading from the front. We created the web CMS market. We added personalization testing and analytics to create what we know today as being the DXP market. And as the market evolved, we took the lead once more. We decomposed our DXP into modular offerings, and now we're the only vendor to provide an end-to-end suite of composable solutions that offers our customers unrivaled choice and flexibility in assembling their DXP. But marketers need more. And as I think about these great advances in composable and the incredible progress we've seen with generative AI, I knew this was a unique opportunity to transform how marketers work. That's why, a little over a year ago, we embarked on one of our most ambitious projects yet, to reimagine marketing work from an AI-first perspective. We integrated AI deeply into our composable stack to create the world's first truly intelligent DXP. So today, I'm thrilled to introduce Sitecore Stream. It's our new solution that enhances Sitecore's DXP with orchestration and AI to boost marketing productivity and drive growth. Sitecore Stream represents a market-leading innovation and a realization of our vision for the industry's first intelligent DXP that addresses the challenges and opportunities faced by enterprise marketing teams today. You know, Sitecore Stream, it wasn't about bolting AI onto our products. We spent a lot of time thinking deeply about how marketers work, and we've reimagined the full content lifecycle from an AI-first perspective. It's not about adding AI, it's about creating intelligence. Creating intelligence at every point in the entire content lifecycle, from ideation and campaign creation right through to experience delivery and optimization. It's about creating brand intelligence. It's about creating campaign intelligence, experience intelligence, or just simply marketing intelligence. I just want to let you know that Sitecore Stream is not a new product. It's an add-on that's available across all of our products, and it consists of 3 core capabilities. First, it's brand-aware AI. This helps ensure that actions, recommendations, and experiences align with the customer's brand identity, their values, their guidelines, while being governed by enterprise-grade guardrails for AI. The second is a suite of AI-powered copilots designed to support marketing functions around brand, brief, content, experience creation, and optimization. And third, it's an orchestration and workflow capability that supports both human, hybrid AI, and agentic workflows, allowing marketers to seamlessly collaborate with AI to achieve outcomes at hyper speed. It really is incredible. Check out this video. It's incredible, right? It's amazing. When we introduced Sitecore Stream, it kind of reminds me of when I first learned to play guitar. At first, I was fumbling with the individual chords, much like how we used to struggle with siloed marketing tools. But suddenly something clicked, and then I was playing full songs, and I think that that's what Sitecore Stream does for your digital experience. It turns those individual notes into a symphony. What's so unique about it? There's three things. One, it's smarter. It leverages cutting-edge AI to understand your brand and customers. Two, it's strategic. It aligns technology with your business goals. And three, it's important that it's secure, ensuring your data and content are protected. Smarter, strategic, and secure. As I'm sure you can tell, I'm really excited about this new innovation. I'm so proud of what the team has built and delivered. As a product guy, I'd love to stay here and geek out with on all the details with you, but I've been told that's not my role anymore. But our new CPO, Roger Connolly, will join me on stage in a few minutes and go a little deeper on the tech and demo the product in action. But first, I'm really excited to welcome someone who can tell you much more about how Sitecore Stream is going to move the needle for marketers, my CMO, Kathie Johnson. Well done. Yeah, thank you.
Well, Dave, my two daughters are Swiftie fans too. Good morning, everyone. It's so great to be here. This is my first symposium, having just joined Sitecore 1 year ago. As a CMO and as a marketer for decades, I am thrilled to be here at Sitecore and here with all of you at Symposium as we launch Sitecore Stream. Sitecore Stream addresses the core critical issues that marketers have across content and experience and will completely transform how we work. Now, I'm old enough to know how and when the internet changed the world for marketing. Back in the day before the internet, all of the marketing we did was very analog-based. Once the internet became available, we of course moved to digital. In fact, I developed the very first website for the company I worked for at the time, who had already been in business for 30 years. I believe that what we're delivering with Sitecore Stream today will be as transformative for marketers across content and experience as the internet was way back then. Now, transformations happen when there are pain points to solve, a vision for a better way, and technology available to make a difference. What really excites me about Sitecore Stream is that product and development worked with marketing. They worked with me. They worked with other CMOs. They worked with marketers in B2B and B2C companies to truly identify and understand the challenges we have across content and experience, and then develop a solution accordingly. Now, as every marketer knows, marketing is complex. We have complexity across the responsibilities that sit within marketing. We have complexity across that MarTech stack that we need to manage. And we have complexity around the pace of change that we experience and how we need to manage it. Now, in fact, on a recent call, an analyst actually said to me, "I don't know why anyone would go into marketing. Marketing is so complex. There's so many roles and responsibilities you need to manage." And everybody in the company always has an opinion on marketing every day. But people like me and other CMOs that I know, we're in marketing because we love what we do. We love making an impact on the business. And I'm sure that's true for every marketer in the room here today. But even with the love CMOs have for marketing, there are three major pain points that we struggle with every day. The first is do more with less. Every marketing team is being asked to make a bigger impact with lower costs. We're asked to increase growth, but to do so with a smaller budget. And we're asked to show ROI for everything we do. In fact, in a recent CMO Council survey, executive marketers responded by saying that improving ROI and measuring attributions are the two most important transformations needed. Many CMOs right now are in the planning cycle for next calendar year. And while we're doing this, marketers need to drive growth, shorten the time to value, and do it all while decreasing costs. The second main challenge we have is managing through that complexity. Every marketing team is challenged with ensuring that everything created by a marketer and by any and every agency you work with stays true to your brand. This is relevant regardless of the size of your organization. If you're a smaller team and have 40 or fewer marketers, maybe a brand or two, maybe a couple of channels and a few agencies, or if you have hundreds or thousands of marketers, multiple countries, multiple brands, regardless, it's complex. You need to manage your campaigns and your brand consistency through that complexity. And what if you have an insight today that means your campaign tomorrow needs to be tweaked? How do you ensure that every marketer, every agency, in every country, and every one of their briefs is working off the latest direction consistently? It's complex. And the third main challenge we have is balancing that strategic long-term with that tactical short-term for growth. Because marketers are strapped with managing that complexity I just highlighted, their available time to work on the strategy is reduced. Yet marketing, when done well, blends the strategic with the tactical. And in this fast-paced, ever-changing digital world we live in today, I always say to my team, if we're doing the same marketing today that we did yesterday, then we're already behind. We're behind what our customers want, and we're behind our competition. Now, as I mentioned earlier, our product and tech teams worked with me and other CMOs around the globe to understand how these challenges impact marketers and how we can deliver a smarter, more strategic, and secure add-on solution across all of our products to manage our content and experience. At Sitecore, we worked hand in hand with the product team, and we're using all of the Sitecore technology today. For our CMS, we're using XM Cloud, we're using Content Hub, Search, Personalize, CDP, and Connect. We also worked with a number of B2B and B2C companies as we were developing Sitecore Stream. Now, one of the customers we worked with in the development of Sitecore Stream is Nestlé. I'm sure everyone here has heard of Nestlé. They are an iconic and lasting brand. They have around 270,000 employees. They have 1,800 brands, and they're present in 188 countries. They face many of the same challenges we commonly see, again, regardless of the size of your organization. They need to manage complex campaigns across multiple channels. They need to maintain brand consistency across all of their brands, and they need to ensure that everything is aligned across their teams and their agencies. Now, it's been amazing to partner with Nestlé. The global CMO, Aude Chandon, could not make it here today, but she was kind enough to make a video for us. So let's take a look at how Nestlé is using Sitecore Stream, Brand Copilot, she'll refer to it as the brand assistant, to facilitate brand and category knowledge and supercharge their agencies. Let's play the video.
AI is rapidly becoming an integral part of our work at Nestlé, and we recognize the immense potential it holds for our marketing teams. Nestlé's extensive portfolio of brands is driven by a team of thousands of marketers across nearly every country in the world. They work hand in hand with our creative agency partners and our content studios to build brands that consumers love. But our marketers often find themselves navigating through, on average, 50 strategic brand and marketing documents, which can be overwhelming. Today, I am thrilled to announce that we've partnered with Microsoft Innovation Team and Sitecore to leverage the power of Gen AI with Nestlé brand guidelines and toolkits to create and pilot a new product, the Brand Assistant, as part of Sitecore Content Hub. This tool is designed to facilitate brand and category knowledge within our organization and supercharge our creative partners. Let's take a look at what the Brand Assistant will help us do.
To fully grasp the potential of generative AI for our brands, we need to store and leverage our 3,000 brand strategic documents and campaign toolkits and safely integrate them with powerful Gen AI tech in one secure place. To create Nestlé's unique brand assistant enabled by Content Hub, we've partnered with Sitecore and Microsoft Innovation teams over the last year to pilot and leverage the power of Gen AI with Nestlé brand guidelines and toolkits. We trained the AI brand assistant with our strategic brand guidelines, our campaign toolkits and brand assets, including text, images, and videos from our brand portals. This powerful assistant will transform the way we access our brand knowledge because it will enable our brand managers and creative partners to efficiently retrieve, organize, and summarize information about our brands, providing them with the knowledge they need at their fingertips. Imagine being able to ask, "I'm new to the brand. Can you tell me the approved colors of Nescafé?" Or, "I want to know more about Nescafé. What information do you have on the brand history and archaeology?" Our brand assistant will provide instant answers, ensuring that our brand managers are equipped with the knowledge they require to make informed decisions. Welcome to the future of content operations at Nestlé.
Isn't that amazing? Huge appreciation for Aude, Gondan, and Nestlé for recording that video for us. I just love innovating with partners like Microsoft and customers like Nestlé. The transformation that is happening right now in marketing across organizations of all sizes is monumental. I'm experiencing it in my own role as CMO of Sitecore, and every CMO I talk to is talking about the same thing. As Aude of Nestlé stated in the video, this capability is the future of content operations. This is the future of marketing, available today. And this just makes my love for marketing even stronger. What the product team has developed at Sitecore for marketers, with marketers, is phenomenal. This innovation would not have been possible without our very own Chief Product Officer, Roger Connolly. Roger, come on out.
Thank you, Kathie, and welcome everybody to Nashville. I'm so excited to be here today. I came to my first symposium 7 years ago in Orlando. It was when Sitecore had acquired Content Hub, and I was part of the first delegation that came to help us introduce us to the community. And I remember being just so impressed by the massive size and scale of Sitecore at the time. And over the past 7 years, I've had the privilege to be able to lead some great teams at Sitecore. I led the Content Hub product team, and under Dave's direction, I was able to launch the XM Cloud product with that wonderful product team as well. And so to be able to be here today and stand in front of all of you as Chief Product Officer is really just an incredible honor. At Sitecore over the past 7 years, I've had the luxury also to meet with hundreds of customers to discuss the challenges that they face delivering high-impact, meaningful experiences. So I've seen the challenge that you all face up close and from many angles. So let's take a closer look at what we built working with Microsoft, Nestlé, and the Sitecore marketing team, and so many of all of you over the years to build something very unique. Sitecore Stream will unify the workflow for marketers across content and experience and amplify their productivity. Our aim is to help marketers orchestrate work with AI seamlessly from ideation to activation across the digital experience platform. As Dave mentioned, we thought really deeply about the daily workflows that marketers face every day and how we can make every step more productive and how we can proactively guide users to achieve their tasks more effectively and with better results, either by themselves or with AI agents. Now, Dave's already shared with all of you 3 capabilities of Sitecore Stream: brand-aware AI, generative copilots, and AI-enhanced workflows. But how does that fit into the Sitecore portfolio? Here are our key composable solutions across content and experience. And these products support our customers in a never-ending feedback loop where content begets experience, which begets the next piece of content, and so on and so on. And our promise is to offer these products as composable and meet customers where they are in their digital transformation journey. And here's how Sitecore Stream delivers on our vision for the intelligent DXP. First, it's brand-aware AI, providing a foundational capability to offer brand intelligence and brand-safe AI across the entire portfolio. Second is the orchestration layer that goes across all products and allows seamless task management across the suite of products in the portfolio. And it's Copilot capabilities that are accessed directly in all of our products, whether it's Content Hub, the dam that sits at the heart of the world's biggest brands, whether it's XM Cloud, our next generation SaaS enterprise CMS, and our fastest selling product ever, or whether it's CDP, search, and personalizing commerce, capabilities you want to add to your experience portfolio to extend its reach. And on XM XP, trusted by thousands of our customers. That's right, you heard it here first. Sitecore Stream will be available for Sitecore XP. Now, as you'll see, we didn't just throw AI at the problem and hope for the best. Sitecore Stream was crafted to simplify the complexity of campaigns, align workflows, and deliver impactful results. We've designed Sitecore Stream to help marketers at every stage of the content experience lifecycle. This new marketer-centric user experience embraces each of the 5 stages of the lifecycle. Whether it's strategize, this is where you want to brainstorm, ideate about your brand, or think about the next big campaign. Brief, how do you initiate and start a project quickly with the necessary bits of information that you need to make sure everybody has what they need to be successful? Whether it's create, how do we help marketers and creatives create faster, all while staying true to brand and brief? Or whether it's build, helping digital delivery teams design and build standout digital experiences in the CMS with ease. Or whether it's optimizing, turning those insights of your running experiences into action with proactive recommendations. And all of this has been done working closely with customers and partners to co-innovate. When we considered Sitecore Stream, we sought out input from marketers at both B2C and B2B companies. And as you heard from Kathie, that included our own team and others like Nestle. But regardless of whether you're a B2B or B2C customer, we see huge potential to drive productivity and drive growth. To really showcase the full potential of Sitecore Stream, let's see it in action. Now, every story needs a hero, so let's introduce ours. This is Flavorful, a hypothetical CPG company, food and beverage service, not too dissimilar to Nestle. They manufacture and sell their range of fruit-based healthy drinks and snacks. They are brand-led, have several sub-brands, and go to market via retail partners and direct to consumers on their website. The next big thing is the launch of their new powerful snack bars. They're really looking to eat into the competitors' market share here. They're going to focus on major cities for out-of-home advertising. They're working with a famous influencer, and we're launching a TikTok campaign as well as other digital activations. It's a full funnel campaign that needs to drive in-store foot traffic to the retail partners and drive traffic to their website to drive their D2C sales. And together, this team must make the magic happen. But time is not on their side. The product needs to start selling really fast, and they're under real pressure from the CEO. So let's take a look at how Sitecore Stream and Sitecore's composable solutions are going to help Allie and her team and agency get this done on time. First, let's talk about strategy. This is all about ideation, research, and brainstorming. And as we started to work with our customers on ways we can unlock the power of creating content using generative AI, it became very clear that simple tone of voice, prompted content, persona-based prompted content wasn't good enough. It falls flat. And you all, I'm sure, understand what I mean by that if you've ever used ChatGPT. But what if we could make the AI really understand your brand? And as we explored this concept, we started working with customers to ingest brand information from wherever they had it. And something interesting happened. Not only did we create a new capability to manage brand kits, but we also started to see marketers get value out of the brand copilot for ideation, brainstorming, competitive research, and also as an onboarding tool. And as Kathie said, marketers are always being asked to do more with less. And so when you need to ramp up someone quickly and trust that they can get moving quickly, it's important that they have access to these kind of tools. So the brand assistant really started to take shape in ways that we didn't anticipate, but the result was incredible benefits for the marketer. Let me show you the three key things here. One is the new Sitecore Stream portal. This is the orchestration layer that we talked about. It sits over the top of all of our solutions, a place where marketers can orchestrate work across the DXP using AI-enhanced workflows. And I'll talk more about this in a minute. Second is the ability to manage brand kits. These are the strategic brand and marketing documents that represent a brand's DNA. Everything from global goals, brand guidelines, do's and don'ts, tone of voice, visual guidelines, and much more can be ingested into the system via upload. And the team at Flavorful has uploaded all of their brand assets. They pointed it to key URLs that exemplify their brand in action. They've organized all their brand information into brand kits for the Flavorful brand and their sub-brands, including Powerful. The brand-aware AI has been grounded on all this information. It truly understands their brand. Now, unlike generic tools, Sitecore Stream's brand-aware AI uses all of this information to become a trusted advisor for each of the customer's brands. 3, the ability for marketers to interact with their brand using one of our copilots, the brand assistant. For the team at Flavorful, this is a game changer. Using the brand copilot, marketers can engage with a brand-aware AI, and it will create a secure place to strategize, ideate, research, and discover insights and get recommendations. Now, I want to take a moment here to talk about trust. Flavorful trusts Sitecore Stream's brand-aware AI. They can trust it because unlike other big tech vendors, Sitecore will never use your data to train the underlying AI model. It's your brand, it's your content, it's your data, your IP, and your AI, full stop. Now, for the more technical amongst you, we've developed customer-specific and other learned services and other semantic tagging techniques to ground all the interactions with your content and data only. And with Microsoft OpenAI service with Azure under the hood, we never use any of that information to train the model. And in keeping with our commitment to composable, you can bring your own AI and plug it into our solutions to provide unique value for your businesses or your customers. Now, following on from all the strategy work that Flavorful were able to do with the Copilot, they're now getting ready to brief all their internal teams and their agency on the requirements for their full funnel launch. We all know that the briefing process and the dreaded rebrief wastes countless time and money and slows everybody down, jeopardizing time to market. A recent study by Better Briefs with Flood and Partners suggests that nearly 35% of marketing budgets are wasted due to poor briefs and the resulting rework required. That's why another one of our copilots is specifically designed to support marketers build better briefs. The copilot understands the job to be done and will guide users to think about all elements of the brief, from strategy to goals and KPIs. The copilot here lets you upload additional documents to support your brief, PowerPoint, PDF, etc. And with the ability to reach directly into your DAM, CMS, CDP, and more, and pull assets, content, and audiences, your briefs are always connected to the in-market media. And when you're ready, you can share the brief with others and have the system generate a project for you automatically. And we'll see that next. As Flavorful moves forward with the launch of the powerful snack bar, Sitecore Stream assists in the creation of the entire project needs. Based on the campaign brief and the input from the team, it suggests key tasks, timelines, and tactics that fit each stage of the campaign, from building out-of-home advertising strategy in major cities to leveraging influencer partnerships. And as AI continues to evolve, we'll be ready to support hybrid workflows augmented by AI. Again, meeting you are where you are in the comfort of adoption of this technology. Stream ensures that the right resources are aligned with the right tasks, whether it's deploying digital ads or creating billboard content. This dynamic project creation means that the team is not starting from scratch. Every step is carefully guided, optimized for speed, and tailored to meet the goals of launching Powerful across those major markets. And with Sitecore Stream handling the setup, the team can focus on executing a highly impactful campaign. We've looked to lay out the information according to how marketers work, We've included list views, campaign views, calendar, etc. But we also delivered a unique funnel view that shows the project according to funnel stage and all the channel and tactics involved, where we can actually audit your content and make recommendations of what might be useful to actually address that particular funnel stage for that particular tactic. We're really excited about the possibilities to really dial in the workflow to the specifics of digital delivery across content and experience with much more precision than off-the-shelf project management tools. That said, we recognize many marketing orgs use tools like Wrike and Asana, so we'll be composable there too, with ready integrations via our low-code integration platform. As we begin developing smarter content strategies, we must focus on what truly moves the needle. We know that roughly 10% of content drives about 90% of outcomes. Yet what about the content that remains untouched? Surely that's not all bad content. Perhaps it just needs reframing or retargeting to extend its value in life. What if instead of creating new assets, you can leverage existing content more effectively? Imagine easily being able to identify outdated content, whether it's last year's branding or obsolete product details, and unlocking its full potential by actually updating it and reframing it. This is where the power of AI comes in, allowing you to marry content with analytics, with the semantic searchability under the hood, and aligning it with your strategy. We can really make it much more impactful. Sitecore Stream steps in here to help B2B marketers refine content, save time, and empower teams to collaborate seamlessly. The question is no longer what content do we have, but what content truly works. Content that works isn't just found, it's crafted, honed, and activated by the right tools. And so the future isn't about creating more, it's about creating smarter. And whether you're creating content in Content Hub, XM Cloud, or in XP, Sitecore Stream will help you not only better create and manage your content, but it'll help you unlock its full potential. Collaboration is a key to making the launch of the powerful snack bar a success. And Sitecore Stream helps here, empowering each member of the team to work together seamlessly. Whether it's reviewing one's own content against brand and brief, or a team and agency collaboration, reviewing that content that might come from outside the organization against a brand and brief. Sitecore Stream is designed to cut down on wasted time in review cycles by providing ready proofs of all content in the context of that brand and brief. And as the collaboration progresses, Sitecore Stream then plays a pivotal role in building out a customer experience for the powerful snack bar launch. With all of the content and assets aligned to the brand, Sitecore Stream suggests the best layout and content components for the digital experience in the CMS. Whether it's the landing page for the campaign or a product listing on the commerce site, Sitecore Stream provides the team with pre-built on-brand options that highlight the snack bar's unique selling point. Sitecore Stream delivers the best layout and visual components tailored to your SEO, personalization, and engagement strategies, ensuring every digital experience is optimized for maximal impact. By streamlining the experience creation process, Sitecore Stream's experience copilots help the team move faster, ensuring that the digital experience is ready to drive D2C sales and foot traffic to retail stores, all while staying consistent with the overall campaign strategy. Now, once the campaign is live, Sitecore Stream continues to drive the success of the powerful snack bar. The launch by optimizing every aspect of the customer journey. You know, Allie, before Sitecore Stream, was what we call a hesitant marketer. A digital marketer who understands she needs to personalize, understands she needs to run post-launch experiments, but feels overwhelmed by the complexity. She's been unsure to where to begin, how to balance SEO, user experience, engagement, all while staying true to her brand's identity. Sitecore Stream's insights will help her and the team quickly understand what's working and what needs adjustment. Whether it's a tweak to the landing page design or fine-tuning the ad targeting on TikTok, Sitecore Stream analyzes the real-time data to provide actionable recommendations. The campaign team can adjust messaging to increase engagement, and the brand managers ensure that the adjustments remain on brand. By turning insights into action, whether that's boosting content and search or creating a new audience and personalization, Sitecore Stream is guiding users towards more conversions and higher foot traffic in retail stores. And as we bring the powerful snack bar campaign full circle, we see how Stream has transformed every step of the journey, from ideation to execution and from collaboration to optimization. But what's truly powerful is how Stream empowers the entire team to work smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. This is not just about launching a product, it's about orchestrating a cohesive brand experience that resonates with consumers, drives real results, and keeps your brand ahead of the competition. With Sitecore Stream, Flavorful has been able to scale a high-impact omni-channel campaign that reaches millions across digital and physical touchpoints, all while staying true to the brand's core values. You know, our vision is that every marketer starts their day with Sitecore, with the power to build at their fingertips. This is the future of brand-driven success, a future where your vision becomes reality faster, smarter, and always on brand. And with Sitecore Stream by your side, every launch, every campaign can be just as powerful. So that's Sitecore Stream. I can't wait to see what our customers achieve with it. Back over to you, Dave.
Unbelievable, great. Wow, that was amazing, right? Thanks, Roger. It was really exciting to see our vision for the intelligent DXP come to life through Sitecore Stream. And thanks to Kathie and Ode from Nestle. It's so amazing to see the power of what we have built in the hands of an iconic brand such as Nestle. This is going to herald a new way of working for marketers, an AI-augmented marketer workflow that understands your brand, that understands your content, that understands your campaign and your data. And we're not doing this alone. We're working hand in hand with industry leaders like Nestle and others to bring this vision to life. And we've built this in partnership with Microsoft to ensure that you can leverage these new capabilities with enterprise-ready guardrails. What does this mean for you? It means that with Sitecore's intelligent DXP, you'll have the power. You'll have the power to supercharge your teams, a true paradigm shift to 10x marketer productivity. So as we come to the close of our time together, I want to take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed and talk a little bit about what lies ahead. We started our journey today in Nashville, a city known for its ability to bring together diverse talents to create something extraordinary. In many ways, that's exactly what we're doing here at Sitecore and what you're doing every day in your organizations. We've explored together the challenges facing our industry, the complexity of MarTech stacks, the elusive promise of seamless digital experiences, and the constant pressure to do more with less. But we've also seen the immense possibilities that lie before us. With the dawn of the intelligent DXP era, we're not just talking about incremental improvements. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we approach digital experiences. A shift that puts the power back in your hands. The power to build, the power to innovate, and to truly connect with your customers. Sitecore Stream, which we introduced today, is more than just a new capability. It's a manifestation of our commitment to you, our customers, and our partners. It's our way of saying that we understand your challenges, we hear your aspirations, and we're here to help you achieve them. Sitecore Stream is smarter, allowing you to leverage cutting-edge AI to understand your brand and customers. Sitecore Stream is strategic, aligning technology with business goals. And Sitecore Stream is secure, ensuring your data and content are protected and never shared or used to train shared models. But the real power doesn't lie in our technology alone. It lies in what you, our incredible community of innovators and visionaries, will do with it. And just as a musician takes an instrument and creates a song that moves millions, you'll take our tools and create experiences that transform businesses and touch lives. And as you leave here this week and return to your organizations, I want you to remember this. You all have the power to build experiences that resonate, that relationships that last, and businesses that can thrive in this digital age. And with Sitecore Stream, you've got the power to build intelligently. So in the days ahead, you're going to hear from our experts. You'll connect with all of your peers here today, and you'll gain insights that will hopefully help you on your journey. Embrace this opportunity. Share your stories, ask your questions, and dare to imagine what's possible, because when we come together like this, we're not just attending a symposium, we're composing the future of digital experiences, note by note, pixel by pixel. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your trust in Sitecore. Thank you for being the innovators and leaders who are shaping this digital world. Thank you.